So I just found out about this amazing tool called the LandingAI Document Extraction API, and it totally reshapes how we handle complex documents.
Wait, what does it do exactly? I mean, complex documents can include anything from tables to images, right?
Exactly. It pulls structured data out of visually complex documents, like PDFs with 100 plus pages, and returns it in a neat JSON format.
That's wild. So it can manage like super long documents all in one go. How does it even do that?
Great question. It automatically splits these long PDFs into manageable parts and processes them in parallel. It's like teamwork for documents.
Wow, that's like having a whole squad tackling a giant project. How does it deal with errors, though?
Oh, it has built-in error handling that retries requests with exponential backoff. So if something fails, it keeps trying intelligently.
Brilliant. No one likes facing those pesky rate limits. Can it also visualize what it's extracting?
Yes, it provides options to save visuals of where each chunk of content was found in the document. You can literally see its work.
That's so helpful. It's like having a graphic organizer for your data. But can it handle various file types?
Definitely, it can parse PDFs, images, and even URLs pointing to documents. Talk about versatility.
Okay, that makes it sound super useful for anyone from researchers to businesses. What about processing multiple documents?
Oh, it can process multiple files at once, which is a game changer. Just feed it a list and it manages everything in parallel.
That's a time saver for sure. Does it also have some configuration options if users want to customize how it works?
Yes, users can tweak settings through environment variables to adjust parallelism, logging, retries, and more. It's really flexible.
Now I'm really curious about this auto retry feature. Does it just keep trying until it gets a result?
Pretty much. It retries up to a set limit, but does so smartly, with random delays to avoid overwhelming the API. It's clever.
Clever indeed. But how does this affect the overall speed? Can it speed up parsing?
Absolutely. By splitting documents and using threading, it can process large files while keeping the time manageable. It's impressive.
I can see how this would revolutionize document management. Speaking of visuals, can it annotate the extraction process?
Yes, it allows you to create annotated images showing where each content chunk was extracted. Super useful for debugging.
This is blowing my mind. So users can literally know where everything came from. What if someone wants to extract specific fields?
Great point. They can define exact fields for extraction using models. It's super customizable to fit specific needs.
That is so cool. Makes me think of all the tedious data entry that can be avoided. But is it easy to set up?
Totally. The install process is straightforward with just a pip command. It's designed to be user-friendly.
Nice, so there's no extra setup fuss. How do users start parsing documents once it's installed?
Just call the parse function with the path to the document. It's that easy. All the magic happens under the hood.
What's interesting is how this could change approaches to data handling. Are there any examples of real-world applications?
Definitely. Think about research institutions needing to analyze vast studies or corporations needing to pull data for reports.
I hadn't considered that. So it's perfect for anyone dealing with large volumes of information. Does it have batch processing?
Yes, you can parse multiple documents at once, making it super efficient for bulk processing tasks. A real productivity booster.
That's fantastic. Have you ever thought about how this tech evolves in the future? Imagine AI doing all the sorting.
That's a whole new frontier. It can help automate so many labor-intensive aspects, making tasks faster and more accurate.
Exactly. So the implications could be huge across various industries. I love how tech like this opens new possibilities.
Right? It's like flipping a switch on data management efficiency. The future seems really bright for document handling.
Before we wrap this up, do you think everyday users would also find this helpful, or is it more for technical folks?
I think everyday users could benefit as well. With user-friendly setups, anyone can streamline their paperwork without a hassle.
I can totally see that. It's exciting to think about how tech is democratizing access to powerful tools.
Absolutely. There's so much potential to make lives easier and work more enjoyable. This tech is a real game changer.
Fantastic conversation. I feel like I've learned so much about document processing and its future.
Me too. Can't wait to see how this kind of innovation shapes our world going forward.
Same here. Okay, but here's what I'm pondering. Where do we go next with all this exciting tech?
Great question. The possibilities are endless, and who knows what we'll find out with further advancements.